Hi everybody, Craft and Bev here, otherwise known as Beverly. Today is July 22nd. 2019. It is a Monday. At the time, it is 7:20 and in the morning. Uh, let's see. Uh, this is week 4 of my journey, my weight loss journey. Guess what I weigh? I weigh 294 pounds. 200. I'm under 300. Yay! I'm under 300 pounds. I'm under 300 pounds. Yes. Uh, and believe me, this week was really, really hard. My physical therapist, he's got me now. I walk every day. And one of the things he wants me to do now is he wants me to walk 2 laps before I rest. And that is really, really, really hard for me. I know a lot of you, I live in a building and it's a secure building. You have to use a key or a code to get in the building. And so for me to walk, I walk the halls because I can't go out. For me to go outside and walk, I'm taking my life in my hands. I already fell once this week. First time I fell since April. And the reason I fell was being stupid. I turned around too fast and my feet got caught up in my cane and I fell. Thank goodness, no broken bones. I didn't hit my head. And the only thing I have is a little bit of a bruised left hip. So I'm trying to, slow. But yeah, to give you an idea, somebody asked me because I was downstairs yesterday and we were talking about how much weight I've lost. And I said it's really easy. For me, it's simple about how I eat. To give you a typical meal, yesterday I had probably the worst thing you can imagine, but I had it and I thought I might as well eat it. I had this sausage. I did not realize how many calories this sausage had until I looked at the little wrapper that it was still in. That one little sausage still had 440 calories. I don't think I'll ever have those again. But I had that with some vegetables and a little bit of rice. And so my vegetables were, onions, green onions, bell peppers, cabbage slaw. I don't use lettuce so much as I use cabbage slaw, like you would do for making coleslaw. I use shredded cabbage, shredded carrots, and cucumbers. So that's the kind of, vegetables, and the vegetables almost mostly were like a salad. Another day I had, and I know someone's going to say, 4? I had 4 tacos. Well, yeah, I had 4 tacos, but when you only eat once a day, not counting your chocolate milk, I just got through, I shouldn't say just got through, about an hour ago. I've been sitting here doing a few things. This is the thing I drink my chocolate milk out of. When I fill it up to about right here, that's 2 cups of milk, and I drink 2% milk. And I only use 2 level tablespoons of Nestle's Quick Chocolate Drink Mix. Now, I'm not sure about how many calories that is, but that's what I have every morning. So, let's see. What's another meal I had? Oh, I cooked myself turkey bacon. That's uncured. One of the things you have to remember is you can't have cured bacon because that's really bad. So, and what I do is the package I get has 11 pieces. I cook all that bacon in the oven. And then when it's done, I stack it. I know it sounds weird. It's kind of, I stack it on top of each other and I cut it in half. Well, that gives me 22 pieces. I eat one after cooking, always have, because I get, that's 22. I use 3 pieces to make an egg sandwich. So I've had one of those this week. And when I had the egg sandwich, I had some pears. Uh, I think what I might try to do, if I can get my camera to, uh, I got batteries. I just can't find the little piece to the tripod. But if I can figure out a way where I can, maybe even kind of do mini videos and put them all together, I'll kind of show you my meals throughout the week. So, but 294. So I'm very happy. Like I said before, I am not giving myself a reward for this time going under 300 pounds because I've been under 300 pounds. My goal this time is 275 pounds and under to get a new cross-stitch kit. I think I know what kit I want to get, but I'm going to keep that to myself until I get there, because it is going to cost me close to $60 to get it, but I really, really want him. So, let's see. Yeah, I mean, like I said, this journey, I just got to keep up the momentum. Like I said, the only exercise I do is my one little walk. And right now I'm doing 4 or 5 laps in the hallway every day. I don't do any other exercises because right now I do suffer from extreme chronic fatigue. But I also suffer from degenerative arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. So I try to keep moving, but it's hard. I mean, as it is, I do a lot of needlework and crochet and sewing and stuff. And so far, my hands, they hurt, but I still use them. And when I mean they hurt, I mean, I'll tell you right now, they hurt. I don't want to say hurt. They're uncomfortable. They're a little bit uncomfortable. But I'm bound and determined, like I said, as long as I keep busy, I don't get bored. And when I don't get bored, I don't go in there and start looking for food. So, I know another meal I had that I could tell you. I don't think I've had it. Anyway, I took some Alfredo sauce and I heated it up, and I had heated up some turkey and sauteed onions, bell peppers, celery, and there's something else I can't remember. Onions, celery, peppers. It might have been mushrooms. Anyway, I sauteed them all up with the turkey, and then I mixed it all up in the Alfredo sauce. And then I made enough for 2 servings. And I put it over some elbow macaroni. And yeah, I know macaroni is processed, but once in a blue moon, I need something a little different besides rice. I get tired of rice very quick. But it was enough for giving me 2 meals. So that's what I've had this week also, as a serving of that. I think the other I had, I'm not sure. But, so I will see you all next week, if not sooner. I might do little, if I can't get them to go together, maybe I'll do little mini ones every day to show you my meals. I don't know. We'll see. But until next week, everybody, don't give up. Keep going. And by the way, for those of you who have subscribed and have returned, thank you. Thank you very much. My new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. To let you know, in case you're looking for floss tube, I also do weight loss journey. I also do my floss tube. And I also hopefully will be doing organization of my craft room. That's the other thing. I figure I might as well just hold my camera and do it. So until then, everybody be good to each other. Stay happy. And as Jan Heck says, Give love, get love.